Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Plastic welding gun from Parkside, the model PKSP 50B1, for repairing broken, cracked and torn plastic parts such as car bumpers, panels or housing. 50 watts power consumption, 750 degrees Celsius the max temperature, 12 seconds heating up time and stumble thickness from 0.6 to 0.8 mm. Accessories included, 3 years warranty, and let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. New case from Parkside, green and black, plastic. Included we have the manual. Four different types of stumbles. Cable length, it is 1.5 meters, very convenient. One side cutter. And the tool. Safety lock and lock switch, otherwise it doesn't work, press, and then the trigger. Soft elements around the trigger and here at the handle. Fits perfect at the palm. Small, portable, unit power of course, 220 volt. LED working light at the front, welding tips, and here you can insert the stumble. So easy. You can use the side cutter if you want to insert one of these stumbles for your safety, or you can just use other tools. Nice. And we have one indicator LED here. So let's power it on. Press and hold the button. There it is. Instant response. We can see the smoke. Oh, it's getting so hot. When it reaches on 750 degrees Celsius, it will stop automatically. Let's try it at this plastic. I have this crack. And I will use other type, this one. There it is, so easy. And you can use this side cutter. Cut it. It is very safe to install the stumble with your hand. Is a specialized tool designed for reinforcing and repairing thermoplastic materials such as plastic bumpers, housings and panels using thermoplastic welding. This kit provides a quick and effective method to restore structural integrity to cracked or damaged plastic components. And that wraps up our review of the Parkside plastic welding gun. With its ergonomic design, powerful 50 watts welding and versatile stumble options, it is a reliable tool for repairing plastic parts around the home or garage. Whether you are fixing car bumpers, containers, or plastic furniture, this kit provides a cost-effective solution to extend the life of your plastic items. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. Have you tried? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.